All right, guys, it's May 4th, 11:30 here, and in a couple of hours, Lilu is gonna have another sale. So I want to give you guys the opportunity to sign up with Lilu again. If you sign up earlier with the last code and you passed, congratulations. If you did not, don't get discouraged. This is not supposed to be easy, right? But if you did pass, you could have another opportunity to get another account for a fairly good price and a much easier combine this time. So without any BS, let's just get right into it, what the sale is, and then I'll give you guys an update as to what's going on with my accounts. So launch 50,000 evaluation, 8 contracts, 3,000 profit target, 25 trailing drawdown. So that's almost 1-to-1. It's almost as good as this one, guys, and it's only $180 per month, which is not bad. However, they're having a sale for $81. $81, guys, for this account. That's amazing. I'm gonna sign up myself. Because worst case, you lose $81, and the best case is you earn yourself a nice size account, and you could grow that into a decent account over time. Now, if you are not, let's say you're watching this video when there's no sale, I think the Aspire is the best option overall across all combines in out there, basically. And the only downside to Lilu trading is if you're not consistent, the withdrawal rates or how often you can withdraw is the only downside to Lilu trading. Okay, so some combines you could withdraw once a week and different things, but with Lilu, there's more restrictions on that, so you have to keep that in mind. However, it's the easiest one to pass, and if you want to stay consistent, then you shouldn't worry about the withdrawals anyway, because you want to grow cushion and withdraw whenever you grow that cushion, right? Keep in mind, I grew $77, right, into $4,500. I was 2 days away from the withdrawal. Unfortunately, I lost that account if you watched my last video, but we're back. We passed this Aspire account, and I'll be getting funded on Friday. So I have 2 more trading days that I have to complete with them because it's minimum of 10 trading days, which is another great perk. Most combines are 15 days. This one's only 10 days. And of course, you can keep trading as long as you need. So it's $3,000 profit target. You have 20 trading days for $81. And then after that, it's going to be $180 per month. So you have to keep that in mind. The $81 does not stay every single month that you keep trying to pass. So if you don't pass within the first month, 1 month, which is usually 20 trading days, it would be 180 for the next month. So keep that in mind. But 20 trading days, that is only 150 a day, and you could use up to 8 contracts, which is crazy. So if you've been trading, the Nasdaq has been wild last few days with the crazy falls breakout that we had a few days ago. So yeah, falls breakout here, and that's on the weekly. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, so we had just a tiny bit of a false breakout here and just a big sell off. So you never want to buy breakouts like that. Eventually it will come back, right? But we do have to kind of keep in mind that the first breakout usually is a false breakout. So never buy breakouts and never buy or short breakdowns. Keep that in mind. If you just keep chasing the price, you'll just get slaughtered. And I still have a hard time with trending days. So a day like today, when the market is just, huge trend, this is the market today. That's a huge trend down. Those are my toughest days, right? Because I am always thinking that I'm already chasing, and I'm always thinking that it's going to do, a choppy range. So like maybe, come down, come back up, and do this kind of. I traded yesterday only in this area, and I made $600, right? So luckily I overslept, or I slept in on purpose, and I missed this whole volatile action, and I was able to make nice scalps here. And then today, I had a little bit of a rough day. Made money on one account and lost money on another. So not a big deal. I am doing 2 combines. So again, one I already passed. I just have to keep trading because again, trading, you have to trade for a minimum of 10 trading days on the Aspire or any of these combines. So I am on day 8 and I have to trade 2 more days. Okay. And then the other combine I didn't speak about that yet, but it's a different firm. So once I get closer to passing that, or I'll give you guys an update how it's going. The only benefit of that other one is withdrawals are every week. They also have a web-based platform if you want to use it. I did not like it. I thought I would like it in the beginning, but I did not like it at the end. So I still use NinjaTrader with them. And it was pretty cheap. They did have a sale recently as well, but I don't want to kind of offer that yet because I'm new to them, so I don't know what they're about. Again, Lilu Trading I think is the best one overall so far, and the only drawdown is the withdrawals. But make sure you guys do your own research, right? Because you could take and pass a combine. However, you will have different options for different accounts. Okay, so if you choose the investor account, so once you pass, they'll give you an option for investor account and for accelerator account. Okay, so to give you guys a rundown again, let's see if it did. Yeah, accelerator is 2 contracts or 20 micros. Has a static drawdown, right? Or $625, so that's very low. But there's no minimum or maximum withdrawal limit, and 8,000 profit. That's the same as this one, but with the investor, so you have max contracts. So on this one, you would have 5 contracts, right? On the 50,000 evaluation, 8 contracts. But you can never grow that, and you do have a trailing drawdown. So the trailing drawdown is not bad. It's 2,500. But you do have limits on the minimum and maximum withdrawals for the first 4 payouts. That's the biggest drawdown to Lilu. So if you don't care about making money quick, you just want to continue trading consistently over time, then I would say they are the best. So that's why I am going to sign up for Lilu trading again. So even though I passed one already, I will be signing up for this promotion as well. And once I do pass, if I do pass this one, I will stick to the investor account. So I'll be trading with the 2,500 trailing drawdown, and I'll just have to limit my withdrawals the first 4 months. You could take up to $1,500 out of this account. Minimum of 1,000 and up to 1,500. So it's not that bad. But if you make, let's say, 5,000-6,000 in a month, then you can't take it out till later on. So that's the only drawdown there. But yeah, that's the update. So again, this is the coupon code I will leave down below: CFLMC89W. All right, so I'll leave that in the description down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, it's for $81 for the first month, and it's usually $180. So it's really, even at $180, it's not a bad deal at all. I paid $150 for this one with no sale. For this one, I paid $150, and I think that's a good deal. So if you compare it to different combines and how easy and how least restrictive rules they have, it's a good deal to have. All right, guys. Lilu Express is the best deal you could get. It's just a little bit tougher to pass because of the 6,000 profit target. So it's big numbers moving on your screen, and you have 3,000 trailing drawdown versus this one is 3,000 profit and 2,500 trailing drawdown. So you have a lot more room for error for much less of a target. So that's why I prefer the launch. And then if you are watching this video at a different time, there's no sale, then Aspire is the best option. All right. I think the Aspire is the best option overall. All right, guys. Have a good one.